Tonight, we're on location at the Wake Restaurant, aboard Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady.
It's a steak and seafood house. It's very upscale. This is Ed Ray. Thanks for joining us. I'm gonna murder some of this. Salud. Thank you, sir. I'll do the wedge salad with blue cheese. We would like to share the tomahawk because it's too big for one person.
May I do the clam chowder? Throw in the bone marrow.
We're gonna need more table. Very comfortable food. Amazing. I'm gonna try this. I like all cow.
Go to town on everything?
I think so.
Let's do it.
This is the baked Alaska. Oh, those cherries on the side, wow. We're doing the apple dish now, some kind of layered thing. Look at this hotness.
I enjoy it. Overall, a really cool experience. The service was chef's kiss, cherry on top.
Yeah,
Service was incredible, hospitality was amazing.
the service and the food, hit after hit after hit. Make your trip now.